Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Australian iron ore miner for Crash Metals Group reported a drop in annual profit on Monday as weak iron prices, driven by a first of slowing China's demand, offset records payment throughout the year. 40Q underlying the profit after tax to the year to June 20, with the fine down, but the profit reading was in line with its masters. The world's top large iron ore product by output say a fresh revenue on net per dry metric ton iron ore expired throughout the year, even as in a specimen or Ross million weight metric tons. The iron ore miner forex 2023 or specimen between with capital expenditures with 3,001 billion. Crashed by over a third of April in the past 12 months, and the industrial activity in China due to continued COVID-19 lockdowns. Severely came to the mind for the metal. The trend is expected to continue throughout the remainder of the year, given Beijing his stance to build on its zero COVID policy. Data for the weekend saw the day country industrial profits fell through the first 7 months of the year, amid increase in multiple computerized measures. For the case on China dependent iron miners assets, Rio Tinto policy have wanted the world slowdown in the country is bound to adversely impact metal prices, and potential meltdown in China devastate the property market is also another source of concern for miners. The world's largest miner raised alarming profits and forecast that China's iron ore demand would recover in the second half of 2022. China is rolling out a slew of stimulus measures ensure of economic growth, including increases in industrial spending. The move could potentially increase metal demand in the country this year. Protests in China Department iron demand such as Rio Tinto have warned that a slowdown in the country is bound to adversely impact metal prices, and potential meltdown in China devastate the property market is also another source of concern for the miner. The world's fourth largest iron ore producer, by output said a fresh revenue earned by the remedy to join Iran run. Spread throughout the year, even the price rose to millions tons. The iron ore miner forecast 2023 are segment between with a price of 3,001 million. Forecast underlying set profit after tax to the year to June 2023 with the revenue down, but the profit reading was in line with estimates. The world's largest iron producer and processor awards earned well dry metric ton iron ore supply fell. Took the year even as spends 190 million wet metric tons. China is running out slow stimulus mercy to shore of economic growth according skilled and counter spending. The move could potential in economic demand is this year. Data over the weekend saw the country industrial profits fell through the first 7 months of the year amid the crashing difficulty from COVID-19 related measures. But BHP Group placed the world's minor largest record profits and forecast that China's iron on won would recover in the second half 2022. Okay, just that from me. And then don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you.